And state your full name, including your middle.
Jeremiah Thomas Clark.
All right, Mr. Clark. All right, the state is alleging a total of 5 charges against you.
5, wow.
3 of them are misdemeanor violations and 2 of them are felony violations. I'll talk to you about the misdemeanor violations first. The first one is disorderly conduct under the domestic violence statute, criminal damage under the domestic violence statute, and open container of liquor in a vehicle. The 2 felony allegations are aggravated assault under domestic violence and then aggravated domestic violence charge. On those charges, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for 2 court dates. One of them is dealing with the misdemeanor, and one of them is dealing with the felony. So first, the misdemeanor court date. That's called the arraignment, and that is scheduled for the 18th of February at 9 a.m. The arraignment is where you'll need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest to those misdemeanor violations. Depending on how you plead will be what happens next with the court proceeding. All of those options, as well as the penalty ranges, will be explained to you at the next hearing before you give your plea, so you'll be well informed.
Yes, Your Honor.
The court date for the felony allegations is February 5th at 4:00 p.m. That's called a preliminary hearing. A preliminary hearing is to determine if there's probable cause to charge you with those felony allegations, not convict you. If probable cause is found, then the case will bind over from our court to the Gila County Superior Court. They'll take disposition on the case.
Perfect, thank you.
Your release conditions on both the misdemeanors and the felonies are obey all orders of the court, not to commit any crimes, notify the court immediately of any address change, not to leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, not to contact the alleged victim in any manner. And on the felony allegations, is the only additional restriction is not to possess any firearms because they're felony allegations, and if you're convicted, you could become a prohibited possessor. You understand those release conditions?
Yes.
All right. Can you obey those release conditions?
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
All right. Regarding the misdemeanor violation, I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. On the felony allegations, I'm posting a $5,000 bond. Let me explain to you the bond. The county attorney has 48 hours from the date and time of this hearing to file a formal complaint against you. If they fail to do that within 48 hours, then you'll be released on your own recognizance without any release conditions on the felonies. Okay?
Thank you.
If they do file a complaint, then you'll be notified of that, and you also are entitled to a court-appointed attorney at little or no cost. I'll be sending you a financial questionnaire that if you wish to exercise your right to have a court-appointed attorney at little or no cost, please complete that financial questionnaire, and if that complaint does file, then your attorney will be notified of your bond, advised of your in-custody status, and of your charges, and be in touch with you shortly on that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about any of that information?
Thank you for being very reasonable. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. That's all.
Very good. Forward.
All right, we'll call you back on the rest of them after 1.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hold on.